If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain lip gloss tubes into these lovely customized glam tubes, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be making some DIY lip gloss. I have everything here that I need. I have my oils, empty lip gloss tubes, my gloss base, and I have the, okay, so this is the TKB gloss base. You can get that off Amazon. And I have these squeezed bottles, and I have these pipettes, and I have a little clear bowl here. And here are the lip gloss tubes. You can get these on Amazon. They probably were no more than 12 bucks. And I have the little lip gloss stand back there. And I'm going to fill about, I think that's about 8 gloss tubes. So I'm not going to use the whole base. And I'll tell you what oils I'm using as I pour them in. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the gloss base. And because I only want to make about 8 tubes, 6 to 8 tubes, I'm going to open up my gloss base. I'm pouring it in, as you can see. So I'm just going to squeeze enough in to where I feel like that I just have a minimal amount. I don't really want to make a lot of it. I'm just making some for me and my daughters, for my household, because when I use lip gloss like from the store, like not even cheap lip gloss, like decent lip gloss, it breaks me out. So I'm starting with the vitamin E oil. I'm just eyeballing this, but if you want measurements, I used about a half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil, a half a teaspoon of lanolin oil, which is really good, sweet almond oil, a teaspoon, safflower oil, a teaspoon, and castor oil, a teaspoon. And I'm just going to mix that up really good. You can use your choice of oils, whatever you like. But these oils were a really good combination. And I wasn't going to put in the mica powder, but I changed my mind because it was like a dingy color. So I have some rose-colored mica powder. You can get that on Amazon. Or Crafter's Choice. That's where I got some of my oils. And as you can see, it's really pretty and pink. I love pink. Now, if you want it to be a darker pink, you put more mica powder. If you want it to be a lighter pink, just put less mica powder. Now, this little squeeze bottle, I got it from the Dollar Tree. I guess you would usually put ketchup and mustard in it. And I actually saw a girl on YouTube do a video. I'm going to try, before the end of this video, find her channel again and give her credit, because this was such a great idea. I'm just carefully pouring it in. I didn't want the bottle to fall over, so I had my daughter holding the bottle. So you can get the lip gloss the consistency that you want it. If you want it to be a little on the thinner side, you just add more oils. If you want it thicker, add less oils. So it's very simple to do this. So I'm not using a syringe. This bottle is taking the place of a syringe, and it is less messy. It is so much easier. It just gets straight to the point. So I'm just taking the fork because I didn't have a plastic spoon, and I'm just making sure that I get all the gloss out of this bowl because I don't want to waste any product. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut the pipette. That's what I'm doing right here. I'm cutting the pipette, and I'm making sure that I press that on the nozzle and make it very sturdy and secure. But to ensure that it's really secure, what I'm going to do is, of course, cut the tip of the pipette so it comes out smoothly. I am going to take some tape. You can use Scotch tape. I had masking tape and it still did the job. So I'm going to add a nice amount of masking tape around the pipette to ensure that when I start squeezing this bottle into the empty tubes, that it won't just fly off. So that's what I'm doing. Nice and secure. So what we're going to do now is pick up a gloss tube. Of course, they were sanitized. You want to sanitize them, wipe them down with alcohol, all that good stuff. And I am just so effortlessly squeezing the lip gloss into the tube. Now, I don't go all the way to the top because you have to put on this little, the closing piece. So you have to save room for the stopper, because if you don't and you overfill it, the stopper will keep popping off and it's so annoying. So I got the first one done and I'm working on the second one. And from here, it's pretty self-explanatory. So let me tell you how the lip gloss was breaking out my lips. I had some MAC lip gloss. I had some Victoria's Secret lip gloss. I had some Fenty lip gloss. Now, I think it's just too many chemicals, and for whatever reason, it will always break out my top lip. So, and it's always been like this. That's my second tube. Oh, so let me just show you. I'm going to decorate these, and I'm going to use what I like to call adhesive. It's a UV resin. It's an instant hold. It locks on nice and secure in seconds. So I absolutely love to use UV resin. Now, these are going to be a little over the top and dramatic, but that's what I was going for. So I'm just adding some rhinestones to the very top of this, and I'm just going to put my UV lamp that you can get on Amazon as well, and the UV resin from Amazon. I think I got 3 bottles of that for $20. I'll have links to where you can get this stuff as well. I wasn't in the camera angle like I wanted to be, so forgive me for that. But I am just adding on 5mm rhinestones, big rhinestones, small rhinestones, and I'm just making it just however. This one is for my daughter. I kind of skimmed through it. I'll show you the end result, but I'm just giving you an idea how you can jazz these up however you want. This little planner charm is so adorable. My daughter picked that out, and it just fit her personality. And this is for my younger daughter. She's 3. She loves Paw Patrol, and she wanted that on her lip gloss. And I was like, this is too big. But I thought about it. I've never saw anything like this before, so why not? So I went and added some more pearls and larger size gems, and it just came out so cute. Like, we really love them. This lip gloss is so smooth. Like, it just smooths right onto your lips. It's so luxurious. So this is how they turned out, and I'll show you the next clip, a better view of them. Okay guys, here is the final finished result of these lip glosses. So I did 3 because we were like headed out the door. So I did 3 really quickly. And then I came home and did a couple more. I don't think I recorded those. But let me finish telling you about how lip gloss does my lips. It only like agitates my top lip for whatever reason. So I will always put on a chapstick or a Carmex or like a Vaseline type of chapstick first to like put that first layer on to protect my lips from whatever additives or whatever chemicals that are in the lip glosses. So it would usually help, but it just still wouldn't help my top lip. So I was just tired of my top lip being so agitated. So I was like, okay, let me just make this lip gloss. And so far, no agitation, none whatsoever. My lips are so moisturized. And this lip gloss, you pull it out your purse, is so fabulous. Like, look at it. It's so cute. And I just think this is such a great idea. Now think about it. Christmas is over now. It was yesterday. But these would be like some really cute stocking stuffers. And then also think about this. If you wanted to make these for like party favors, like look at the Paw Patrol, like whatever theme your child's party is. Oh, let me show you these lip glosses. I haven't made lip gloss in like years. I used to sell it on the website. It didn't work out. I didn't really want to be making lip gloss like that. And these were the first ones I've ever blinged out, and those were super cute. Just to give you an idea of different ways that you can decorate your lip gloss tubes, or you can buy them already decorated, but if you can customize them yourself and add a little extra special twist, why not? So thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy or found it helpful. And give this video a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, and if you'd like to, subscribe to this channel. If you decide to subscribe, make sure you do hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. You can follow me on Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe and at myroyal_radiance. And I'm also on TikTok as Life is a Whole Vibe as well. Okay, bye-bye.